Hello, future programmers! Have you heard about Python? It's a popular computer language. People use it to create amazing things with code. Learning to code can feel like getting superpowers. You can build websites, analyze data, even make robots. Python is a great place to start your coding adventure. In this essay, we'll explore what makes Python so special. We'll see why it's a favorite for beginners and experts alike. Get ready to unleash your coding potential with Python. Python is known for being easy to learn. Its syntax, the way code is written, is designed to be readable. Imagine reading code like a book. That's the Python way. Don't let this simplicity fool you though. Python is powerful. It's used by tech giants like Google and Netflix. From simple scripts to complex applications, Python can handle it all. Ready to dive in? Let's talk about Python's syntax. It's like learning a new language, but easier. Python uses simple words and indentation to organize code. This makes it easier to understand and write. No more confusing symbols or complicated structures. Python keeps it clean and clear so you can focus on the logic of your code. Python is packed with features that make coding a breeze. It comes with a huge library of pre-built modules. Think of modules like building blocks for your code. Need to work with dates and times? There's a module for that. Want to connect to a database? Python has you covered. These modules save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture. Section 5. Websites, Data, and Automation. Python does it all. Python is incredibly versatile. It's used in a wide range of fields. Web developers use Python frameworks like Django and Flask to build powerful websites and web applications. Data scientists rely on Python libraries like NumPy and Pandas to analyze data, uncover insights, and create visualizations. And if you're tired of repetitive tasks, Python can automate them for you. Section 6. Your Python journey begins now. Ready to embark on your Python adventure? Starting is easier than you think. There are tons of resources available online and in libraries. You can find beginner-friendly tutorials, interactive courses, and even online communities to support your learning. The first step is often the hardest. Take a deep breath, choose a resource, and dive in. Section 7. Online courses and tutorials. Learn at your own pace. Online platforms like Codecademy, Coursera, and Khan Academy offer structured Python courses. These courses guide you through the fundamentals at your own pace. You'll find interactive exercises, quizzes, and projects to reinforce your learning. Plus, you can track your progress and get help from instructors and fellow learners. Section 8. Communities of support. You're not alone in the Python world. Learning Python is more fun with others. Join online communities like Stack Overflow and Reddit's Learn Python. These communities are filled with Python enthusiasts of all levels. Ask questions, share your projects, and connect with fellow learners. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and the Python community is known for being welcoming and supportive. Section 9. Embrace the power of Python. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering Python. Learning to code opens up a world of possibilities. As you delve deeper into Python, you'll be amazed at what you can create. From simple scripts to sophisticated applications, your coding superpowers are limitless. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your victories, and never stop exploring the world of Python programming.